Skis for Gold tonight, 8 Eastern, 7:30 Pacific, NBC.
And we're back with the final half hour of today on this Thursday morning. It is the 21st day of February. The year is 2002, and it's a beautiful morning here at the Canyons Resort in Park City, Utah. The sun is shining brightly. The snow looks magnificent. About 12 inches of the powder, or the white stuff, fell yesterday, making a lot of powder for you to ski on, right?
This is going to be a blue sky, deep powder day. It's going to be fantastic.
You were out there skiing most of the day yesterday,
Couldn't
right?
even see 10 feet in front of your face, but it was, and this is the term they use, dumping powder, and it was fantastic, right up to around here.
Really?
Yeah, it was
Wasn't
fun.
that hard to ski in there?
No, it was fun. It was because if you fall, it's kind of like falling into a pillow.
Oh, that's nice. All right, I should try that sometime.
Yeah, there you go.
Anyway, coming up in this half hour, you know, we've talked about how wonderfully successful many of these athletes have been, but few people probably truly understand the pressure they and their families are under, really, while they train and during the Olympic Games. So we're going to hear from a psychologist about that in just a few minutes.
Let's talk about some of the things we've tried over the past week and a half, 2 weeks, okay? Snowboarding, snowshoeing, snow biking, bobsledding, skeleton, biathlon, something.
Skating.
That's right, something new today. They're called Gravity Sleds, and they're making a name for themselves at ski resorts all across the country. It's kind of like you use skis on snow, then you can put wheels on them if you want to use them in the dirt to go downhill. No engine.
They sort of, yeah, they look like go-karts with skis,
without the engine.
don't they?
Yeah. Hey, what's your name? Look at him just hanging out here.
I'm just
like
the,
you're enjoying
I'm the dude.
yourself.
I'm catching some rays, you know, enjoying
Well, while
myself.
you do that, can you give us a check of the weather?
Do I have to?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Let's take a look. Show you what's going on, at least as far as your weather's concerned. For today, we expect to see plenty of sunshine out west. We're looking at some fog along the coast, gale force winds, wet weather in the northwest, and some scattered showers and thunderstorms in central and southern Florida. And then for tomorrow, you can expect to see lots of sunshine through the midsection of the country, more wet weather out west, some clouds in the northeast. All in all, not too bad. Scattered showers and thunderstorms down through Florida. That's what's going on around the country. Here's what's happening in your neck of the woods.
If you want to go down below, since mine's working up here, you can go down below the RF, all right? Okay? Okay. Well, I know the RF won't work that hard. Well, come back to Al first with 50. What do you want to start with, Joe? 9, 8, 7.
Hey, Doug.
All right, that's your latest weather. Now let's get the latest on these cool sleds.
Don't move.
I'm not moving.
All right, because you're part of this segment.
Right.
I don't think he's going anywhere.
I'm
Do you have the brake on? Is that
Yeah,
what you're holding the
yeah,
brake?
I got the
Okay.
brake.
Because if not, you're right through the smokehouse there, aren't you?
That's right.
Anyways, we've been telling you, we've been trying all kinds of winter sports and winter fun items here in Park City, and now we've got a new one. Doug Hayduk is with the Park City Mountain Resort. Come on over here.
Doug.
We don't bite.
Good morning.
And he's come
Nice
up with
to
a
see
new
ya.
way to enjoy the snow and the dirt, by the way, and they're called Gravity Sleds, right?
That's right. These started life in Arizona on wheels. I moved up here to Utah, and I had to put skis on them to make them practical. And now we're running the Park City Mountain Resort, guided tours, rentals. They fly.
Well, what is unique about these sleds? I mean, versus normal sleds or even
Well,
ski bikes?
Traditional sleds that we all used as a kid go down straight down a hill, and then we usually run out into the street and have to carry them back up the hill if we don't hit a car. These sleds are steerable, they brake, they're able to negotiate sharp turns, bumps. They can go right down the ski runs.
But isn't that the fun of sledding? That you can't negotiate
The
these
risk.
things, that you go so fast and you're bumping around. I mean,
It is, but as we get older, we have to watch our bodies.
what's this wee stuff, Doug?
Doug, let's take a close look at one of these things, all right?
Great.
We've got basically, what, 4 skis, short skis.
That's right.
We've got a nice, comfortable seat.
A bucket seat.
About 5-6 inches off the ground. What are these here?
Those are the handles that you hang on to for dear life.
Yeah.
And that's the steering mechanism.
The steering is these things on the
That's
side?
right. Pull and push to do your steering.
Uh-huh.
And carve turns just like you would skiing.
When you say carved turns, though, I mean, obviously you're going to be doing a lot of this on the sides of slopes. Do these things tip over?
Generally not.
What do you mean generally? It's never happened?
Rare
or
exception, rare exception.
So it's possible to tip one of
Very
these
low
over?
center of gravity, wide stance, you'll be fine.
Now, you can
like
rent
me.
these, right? You can rent these at ski resorts, because to buy them, they cost, what, $1,300? Is that right?
That's correct. They're about $1,500.
Ka-ching.
The market right now is for rental fleets at ski areas. Run them up the lifts, ride down, go back up, do it again.
So you take them on lifts?
That's right.
What,
That's
they
the
hook-
best
they-
way to get them up.
they
Into
hook
a
up
lift
to the
or on a
back?
gondola. They hook right onto a chairlift.
What about, and we had, as we mentioned, 12 inches of fresh powder here yesterday. Do these work well in deep snow or only groomed slopes?
They tend to bog down in the powder. They're best for groomed slopes.
And I like the fact you got a little headlight in front.
The headlights are nice. We use these in the evening. That doubles your excitement. We turn the lights on and run down the dark slopes in the evening, and that's really exciting.
Is there a horn? Because have you seen Catie operate something like this?
Do we need a horn?
No, we're okay.
No,
All
she
right,
screams.
listen, we took a poll who should go first.
Okay.
Oh, really?
That's
Yeah,
the first
you.
one?
Wait, what, did I get a vote?
It was a poll of 1.
Oh, okay. So wait a second, we're gonna go down and we're gonna actually come back up here or are we gonna end down there? All right, well, I'll try this first. So wait.
Should I go first and show you?
Yeah, good
Yeah, go
idea,
ahead,
Doug.
Let me be the guide.
Good idea.
I'm going to carve a couple turns and I'm going to run right down and make a quick stop. You'll see it's cake.
Where are you trying to stop? Where's our camera? Do we have-
Somewhere
oh,
in the
there it is.
parking
Okay,
lot.
I see the camera. All right, go ahead, Doug.
Great.
And as we come, somebody might say, hey, Doc.
Here, just
Get it?
follow me.
Oh, I'm following you?
Okay, bye, Matt. Good luck.
Bye.
Nice knowing you.
Woo!
Big turn.
That looks pretty easy,
Hey, that's
Al.
all right.
What, ready?
All right, here comes Al. Go ahead, good luck. Be careful of your knees, Al.
Yes.
All right. Whoa!
Good job. You found your each one.
Whoa!
Very nice.
I tried to do some fancy steering, you know, and it just didn't work.
Boy, I'll tell you what's really hard is going uphill on these things. Man, I'm out of breath. Seriously, pushing with my hands was a killer. It really was. Doug, I'm coming down.
Come on.
Think you have a good winner here. A good oh, Catie, you're mine. You are mine.
Come to mama.
Yeah. Stop doing time.
You know what I forgot?
How to
I forgot they had
brake.
brakes.
Anyway,
Doug, thank you very much.
That
You're
was
very
a lot
welcome.
of fun.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
We didn't
Doug
say we
Hayduk's
enjoyed
Gravity
it.
Sleds. Anyway, we'll be back with more of Today right after this.
We can move mountains and bridges.
You go to 6 a.m. practices, endure endless drives, tough workouts, and you're not even an athlete. You're a mom who knows how nourishing Campbell's chicken noodle soup is. It warms kids up and helps keep them going.